Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy.
The Story of Fossils: Windows into Ancient Earth. Today's video explores fossils and the stories they tell about Earth's distant past. Fossils are preserved remains or traces of living things that existed long before modern life. These discoveries allow scientists to learn about ancient environments, extinct species, and how life on Earth has changed over time. This video follows the journey of fossils from living organisms to scientific discoveries. What are fossils? Fossils are the remains or traces of plants and animals preserved in rock. Some fossils include bones, teeth, and shells. Others are trace fossils, such as footprints, burrows, or leaf impressions. Fossils form most often in sedimentary rock, which builds up in layers over time. Each layer records a snapshot of Earth's history, much like pages in a book. How fossils form. Fossil formation begins when a living thing dies and becomes buried by sediment such as rock, sand, mud, or volcanic ash. Over time, more layers pile on top. Pressure increases, and minerals seep into the remains. In some cases, the original material slowly dissolves and is replaced by minerals. This process turns once living material into stone. Fossilization is rare. Most organisms decompose or are eaten before burial. The fossils that exist today represent a small fraction of life from Earth's past. Different types of fossils. There are several types of fossils. Petrified fossils form when minerals replace the original tissues, preserving the structure of bones or wood. Molds and casts form when an organism leaves an impression in sediment that later hardens. Casts fill these impressions with minerals, creating a copy of the original shape. Some fossils form when organisms become trapped in tree resin that hardens into amber. These fossils can preserve insects, plants, and even feathers in remarkable detail. Fossils and ancient environments. Fossils reveal more than just what lived in the past. They also show where organisms lived. Marine fossils found in high mountains indicate that those regions were once underwater. Plant fossils help scientists understand ancient climates. Large fern fossils suggest warm, wet environments. By studying fossil locations and layers, scientists reconstruct ancient ecosystems and learn how continents, oceans, and climates have changed. The fossil record. The fossil record is the collection of all known fossils and their positions in rock layers. Older fossils appear in deeper layers, while younger fossils appear closer to the surface. This pattern allows scientists to place fossils in relative order and trace changes in life over time. The fossil record documents major events such as the appearance of new species, periods of mass extinction, and times of rapid change in Earth's ecosystems. How fossils are discovered and studied. Paleontologists are scientists who study fossils. They carefully excavate fossils using small tools to avoid damage. Once removed, fossils are cleaned, examined, and sometimes scanned using advanced imaging technology. Measurements and comparisons help scientists identify species and understand how they lived. Museums store and display fossils so researchers and the public can learn from them. What fossils teach us about life on Earth. Fossils provide evidence of how life has changed over time. They show patterns of adaptation, extinction, and survival. Fossils also reveal connections between ancient and modern species. Studying fossils helps scientists understand biodiversity and how living things respond to environmental change. Fossils serve as windows into Earth's ancient past. Each discovery adds another piece to the story of life on this planet. By studying fossils, scientists continue to uncover how Earth and its inhabitants have evolved over millions of years.
As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.